Hey everyone, welcome to Long Arm Wednesday. I'm Laura Lynn of the Mama Pop Quilt Shop, and we're very happy to see you here today. Today we're working on a couple of charity quilts. This is actually a couple ladies from our local guild, the Erin Village Quilters. They obviously have a little group on the side and they do quilts for charity, and this is the Salvation Charity. And I said I would do a few of their quilts. I think there's 5 of them to do, and of course that's no cost to them. They've already put in their time and effort, and me as this beautiful machine, I might as well put him to use. and get some charity stuff done. So we're going to work on 5 of them. All right, so I've finished one up already. It's very nice. You'll see some footage of it. It actually has a city window stitch out on it with a lovely blue thread. And I love the whole patrioticness of this, as well as, you know, our Canadian maple leaves, as well as, you know, our team. And then a beautiful, lovely little cute back there with some flannel. It looks gorgeous. And then this one here, there's 2 of them with the golf sort of theme going on with them. And I chose to do a circle and line stitch out, just because I thought it kind of goes with it. I was gonna think about doing the clover leaf, but I just thought maybe it might be best just to put something very neutral on it. So if they want a space or a break from the golf, they can have this beautiful whole stitch out on the back with the circles and the lines and the green thread. So we're just gonna let Walt continue. There we go. And you get to watch that for a little bit. So we're terribly sorry we had internet issues on the weekend. We're hoping they will be resolved by Saturday for our live stream. We'll just pick up where we left off. No, we didn't do any progress. You'll still see all the kangaroo bags being made. Pop will still sit beside me and help with that, hopefully, if you're still feeling okay. And we're just gonna show all the kids' artwork before. Mr. Clive says hello. Apparently he wanted his time now. Show all the kids' artwork for the front of the kangaroo bags, and of course the lovely soft flannel stuff, fabric for the inside. Okay, so that'll be very fun to see. It's lovely to pick them all up and look at all the kids' artwork, and they did some amazing jobs. Like this is 4, 5s, and 6, so some true talented artist people out there, or kids out there, that's for sure. Isn't that pretty, Mr. Clive? Almost matches your big green eyes. Hey, buddy? So I have this is a 72 by 52 quilt, or 70 by 52 quilt, and I have this stitch out going 3 times. So it's sectioned out to a certain size, and then it's stitched out. You can tell from here, there's the end of the stitching from the first row, and here's the ending and stitching for the second row. So you know, right in between here is its big stitch out. So it's probably got about 18, 20 inches of stitch out. But it could do more, but because I wanted the pattern to sit correctly within the quilt, this is the way we're gonna do it. And then the next one will come right here to here. That's a nice, good thing, about 20 inches, and of course leaving a little bit so you're not going into where your binding is gonna be. So isn't that lovely? Beautiful, beautiful fabrics. I love that they're doing things for charity, and they're giving back. They're giving back to the community. So enjoy this little stitch out for a little bit. The circles and lines. It's one of my favorites. Very gender neutral. It's very complementary to a lot of quilts, depending whether it's busy or plain, or even like, as I say, like whole cloth plain as the back. Just, it looks lovely. So take care, everybody. Enjoy your Wednesday. Thank you very much for liking, watching, and subscribing. We greatly appreciate it here. And if you're looking for some free patterns, we have a few on our website, www.wesewit.com. And you can check us out there. You can always sign up and online quilt guild and hang out with a bunch of other people and share your stuff, what you got working on. You know, gardening season's coming up. I like to see some people's progress if they're working on gardens or got seeds or whatever. Have a fantastic day, everybody. Big hugs from us at the Mom Pop Quilt Shop.